Hi, I'm Melody with River City Events, and today I'm going to show you how to use our donut maker machine, just in case you do not know how. For the purpose of this demonstration, we have our donuts, tongs, concession sleeves, and sugar. These all could be purchased through River City Events to make your event seamless. Pull out your donuts and make sure they're thawed for 15 to 30 minutes. To start, you want to plug in your machine and turn the knob to full heat. Allow the machine to warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. Once your machine has warmed up, you want to start turning on the conveyor belt. You want to turn it to number 7. You want to test out the donuts. So you want to grab one donut and put it on the conveyor belt. Once you've got your donut, if it's too hot, you want to speed up the conveyor. If it's not warm enough, you want to slow down the conveyor belt. If you have to adjust the conveyor belt speed, it probably has to do with how thawed your donuts are. Once you have the conveyor belt at a speed you're happy with, you want to place the amount of donuts that you are comfortable with bagging. Now it's time to bag the donuts, but first, let's look at these donuts. Aren't they adorable? You're going to want to put 6 to 12 in the bag. Now it's time for the cinnamon and sugar. You want to put a generous amount in the bag. Once you do that, you want to twist the bag, shake it 2 to 4 times, even upside down. Depending on your event attendance, you can preheat 5 bags or less prior to serving. Then keep filling bags with new donuts as you see the need. While cooking throughout the day, your donuts will continue to thaw. You may need to adjust the conveyor belt speed to be faster. Once you're finished using the machine, you want to turn the knob to the off switch right here and unplug the machine. Allow it to cool for 15 to 20 minutes before removing the crumb tray. To remove the crumb tray, lift up, give it a spray with some water and vinegar, and inside. Allow the machine to cool completely before putting back in the blue bin. Well, there you have it. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind with this machine, with one person bagging and cooking, they can do up to 600 donuts per hour. With 2 people, one bagging, one cooking, they can do up to 1,200 donuts per hour. I'm Melody with River City Events. There's nothing left now but to eat these delicious donuts.